Good afternoon, students. Once more, I, Sanchita Sharma, in front of you all. Today, I have come up with my second part of this video of noun. So, let's begin up with the second part. In last part, do you remember what we did was? We did noun, kinds of noun. Then we did countable and uncountable nouns. Today, we will do noun gender, noun number, and so on with examples. So, let's begin with this. So students, in the first part we did definition of noun, examples of noun, then kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds I explained you: common, proper, collective, abstract and material, along with examples, and countable and uncountable with examples. So today we'll start with the second part, noun number. So you can see here the noun number, we have singular number and plural number. We have 2 noun numbers, that is singular and plural. So in the beginning also you must have studied singular, plural. So today we'll study in the different way today. Singular number and plural number. Just see what is singular number. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. Noun that denotes one person. Anything if we denote one, single, that is said to be a singular number. Example: boy, girl, cow, bird, tree. These are in the form of singular. Next we come down to plural number. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. More than one. You can take 2, 3, 4, more than one, anything. Examples you can see here. In singular we wrote boy, and plural it will be boys. We'll put S for making this plural number. Girl, girls. Cow, cows. Bird, birds. Tree, trees. So this is the difference between singular number and plural number along with the examples. Now I'll explain the table. How to understand the form of plural form of certain nouns. How you will change the form. Like see, you can see here O, S, X, H, and CH. Words ending in. Means if the words which end with O, the words which end with O, X, S, and so on, if the words are ending with these words, we will add ES to that words to make the plural form. Examples you can see here. If in singular form it is given BOX, box, it is ending with ES. To make this plural, what you will write? Boxes. Next you can see tomato, tomatoes. Let's come to F and FE. If the word ending with F and FE, what we will add? We will not add anything, but we will replace. We will replace the word F and FE with VES. It means if the word ending with F or FE, what we will do? We will just replace this FE and F and we will convert this into VES. Example: KNIFE, knife. FE, we will replace this FE and we will write VES. It means it will change into NIVES. THIEF, thief. THIEVES, it is F. We have changed this F into VES. Same I can give you one more example. WIFE, wife, ends with FE. What will happen when it will come to plural form? WIVES, wives. Okay. Next, Y. Y that follows a vowel. Now see, we will add S. We will add S. MONKEY. This Y, what we will do? MONKEYS. Monkeys. Means we will add only S. We will not replace, but we will add. We will add S here. DONKEY. DONKEYS. Donkeys. Next we have Y. Y that follows a consonant. This was follows a vowel and this was follows a consonant. When it is vowel, what will happen? When it is vowel, it will end with S. That follows a vowel. Vowel. MONKEY. Monkey. E. You are pronouncing it E. Monkey. Monkey. E. The last pronunciation is coming with E. So that's why we have replaced it with S in vowel. But when it comes to consonant, we will replace. We won't add, but we will replace Y to IES. Example: candy. Candy. It's coming candy. Y का pronunciation is coming. So what we will do, we will replace y to ies. Here see, here is also y, here is also y, but the pronunciation is different. Monkey, it is coming e, but candy, we are giving a force to this y when we are speaking this candy. When we are pronunciation, just see the pronunciation part. Monkey, when we are saying monkey, it is coming e, monkey. But when you are saying candy, it's candy. Y means pressure is coming. When I'm saying y, that it will come candies, candies. Fly, y is coming, fly. So it will be replaced flies. You can see butterfly, fly, y. Okay? Hope you must have understood this. Go through with examples. You can see. Hope it is visible. Go through with your course book. You will find all these examples in your book itself. Okay, now we will come to noun gender. Now we will study about gender. Nouns are divided according to gender. Now it is also divided into gender: feminine, masculine, neuter, common. You must have studied feminine and masculine before also, but today I'll start with neuter and common also. So we have it is divided into 4 genders. Now see, feminine, masculine, neuter and common. Let's start with feminine. Feminine gender is for female. This feminine gender, it is used for female. Masculine is used for male. Neuter gender for non-living things. Common gender, when the same noun is used to refer to somebody male or female. When we'll move to the examples, I'll make you understand with the examples. But now you can just go through with this ones. Feminine gender for female, masculine gender for male. You can just note down all these. Neuter gender for non-living things. Common gender, when the same noun is used to refer to somebody male or female. Just note down this, students. You can note down this in your notebook. Okay. See, now I have given examples of the following. Feminine gender. Examples of feminine gender: girl, cow, sister, mother, lady, wife. These are female genders. These are female gender. We can say feminine gender. Okay. Hope you must have noted down this in your notebook, students. Okay. Let's go through with this. Next we have masculine gender. Masculine, I told you, it is for male. Horse, husband, king, lord, man, grandfather. These includes male gender, masculine gender. Okay. Next, neuter gender. Neuter gender, I told you, it is used for non-living things. Book, pen, pencil, word, bed. These are non-living things. So these are under neuter gender. Next we have common gender. Now see, common gender, I'll explain you this. Parent, child, friend, baby, enemy, cousin, thief. Now see, common gender. Common gender में क्या होता है? When we cannot identify it is male or female. जब आप आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते हो कि हम यहाँ पे मेल का बात कर रहे हैं या हम फीमेल की बात कर रहे हैं. जैसे पेरेंट कैन बी अ मदर और अ फादर. ओके. चाइल्ड, अ चाइल्ड कैन बी अ बॉय चाइल्ड और अ गर्ल चाइल्ड. फ्रेंड, a friend can be a girl or a boy. Baby also can be a boy or a girl. Thief, girl or a boy. Man or woman. Means it is when you can't identify that I'm talking about male or a female. Okay. जब आपको ये पता नहीं लगता है कि मैं मेल या फीमेल के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, तब ये कॉमन जेंडर यूज होता है. पेरेंट, आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू. पेरेंट पापा भी हो सकते हैं, मम्मी भी हो सकती है. मतलब मेल या फीमेल दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. चाइल्ड इज अ कॉमन जेंडर. इट कैन बी अ बॉय और इट कैन बी अ गर्ल. तो मैं यहाँ आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर रही हूँ कि नहीं इट्स अ बॉय और अ गर्ल. जब मैं यहाँ फीमेल और मेल को आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ चाइल्ड, तो चाइल्ड इज अ कॉमन जेंडर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कंपाउंड नाउन. A noun formed by joining two other nouns is called a compound noun. जब हम दो अलग अलग नाउन को कंबाइन कर देते हैं एक साथ तो वो हमारा क्या बनता है, कंपाउंड नाउन बनता है. एग्जाम्पल आई हैव नॉट रिटन, आई विल जस्ट शो यू द एग्जाम्पल आई हैव रिटन हियर. बेड रूम, we have bedroom. Okay, so bed is one noun and room is another noun. So this both noun combines and made one noun, that is bedroom. अगर आप इसे अलग अलग देखोगे तो बेड भी एक नाउन है और रूम भी एक नाउन है, बट मैं अगर दोनों को कंबाइन कर देती हूँ ये एक नाउन बन जाएगा, दैट इज बेडरूम. सो जब हम दो अलग अलग नाउन को एक साथ ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो अगर और ये एक नाउन बन जाए तो ये क्या हो जाता है, हमारा कंपाउंड नाउन बनता है, दैट इज बेडरूम. सेम आप कर सकते हो बाथरूम, है ना, फ्लावर वेस एंड सो ऑन. मेनी अदर एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर. So students, now we have, I'll give you some worksheet based on this, and this worksheet you'll be getting in the website of school's website. Okay, so go through with the website once and you'll find out there. I just show you once from where we did it. Noun number. Just go through with this. I hope you must have understood whatever I have taught you today. Students, don't forget to do the worksheets. Worksheets are very helpful to you. I'll give you this worksheet. You'll be getting, you just go through with this worksheet. You'll be getting this worksheet in your school's website. Okay? You'll get this worksheet and you have to do all these worksheets in your English grammar notebook. You'll do in your English grammar notebook. Go through with the chapters whatever has been given. Thank you, students.